Did it ever happen to you that you saw a product by a favorite celebrity or influencer and you immediately decided to buy it, but it turned out to be not that good? Well, I also became a marketing victim and I bought some products by our favorite influencers and celebrities, and now I'm gonna tell you which one I hated, which are kind of okay, and which ones I actually liked a lot. So let's start. We're gonna start with my least favorite products, and the first one is going to be Rhode case and lip balm. And I have to tell you, this is like the cheapest and the poorest quality ever. Even for the case, it's like a silicone. Yes, it's soft, but I mean, like, it doesn't cost that much. I mean, like, this material is so cheap that can cost like $3, and we pay like 10 times more. And it's also not very comfortable to use because this bar is really huge. I cannot put it in my pocket or in my small bags, and I'm a girl who loves small bags like Chiquita from Jacquemus. Well, it's impossible to put it there. Also, this lip balm, well, I thought maybe the lip balm is going to be good, but let me tell you guys, it is not good at all. I don't understand why people still buy in Rhode, why they love it, because maybe they've never used other lip balms in this world. Because I'm gonna tell you, this one is a tint, so it must give a tint, right? But it does not. So first of all, its packaging is really cheap. It's like the cheapest kind of plastic you can find on market, and I'm gonna maybe compare it with another very similar product from Clarins. I think she got like an inspiration from this one, but you can see that it has this metal thing here, which is already making it a bit more expensive looking. Then if you open this one, you can see it's like a soft blush here, which is so good, and it feels so nice when you put it on your lip. Like here on the Rhode one, we only have like a plastic applier, how do you call this thing? Okay, so maybe the product itself is going to be good, but it doesn't have a scent. I mean, like, it smells absolutely nothing, while this one smells like very nice and soft, and I don't know, it smells vanilla or something like sweet. So let me show you how this one works on my lips. Yeah, it has a color, but it doesn't really give a tint. I mean, like, I have some tinted products here I'm gonna show you lately, but this one does not give anything. So sorry, Rhode. I mean, it's very good marketing, girl. I mean, like, it's an incredible idea, by the way. This set cost about $45 originally, I suppose. By my country in Europe, they sell it for twice the price, so I paid like $80 for this. Next products that I wasn't really satisfied with, and you can tell why. I bought a Kylie Jenner skin care routine set. So the first one is foaming face wash. You can see that I used it like more than half, but it's like giving this very weird color, like this brownie color, which is not really good. I mean, usually these type of things are white, like whitey white, and here we have this brown, and I know it doesn't really look good. So next product here is going to be the milk tonic. It doesn't scent a lot, it doesn't really give in a lot of vanilla, but I think it's okay. It's like a normal product, it's nothing extraordinary here. Okay, next two I hate a lot. So the first one is oil, clarifying facial oil, and unless you have a very dry type of skin, that won't be good for you. And I mean, like, whenever I apply this oil, I feel so freaking bad. It feels like you're applying food oil, a nutritious one that you use while you're cooking. And this oil is probably the worst oil I've ever tried in my life, and I've tried a lot of oils. My personal favorite is going to be Chanel oil. I don't know why, but it just smells so good. It feels so nice after applying it on the skin. While this one, well, I feel like a chicken that was no, really, I feel like a chicken that was cooked with oil. I don't know, I feel so oily. This set is supposed to be good for every type of skin, so it must be very natural. But in my opinion, this product is only good for a dry skin type of girls, which I am not part of. Next product of Kylie is going to be this vitamin C serum, and I love serums a lot. I use a lot of serums from Clarins, not really popular brands, Norwegian brand I forgot the name of, but this one is one of the worst serums in my life. I'm gonna tell you why. This smells so bad. Whenever I apply it on my face, first of all, it has this very weird brownie color, and I mean, like, it's very weird for serums to have this very active color. Usually it's like transparent, of course, but this one gives this orangey color on your skin, and then the smell is so bad, and I mean, like, I really want to take it off whenever I put it on my face because of the smell. So I don't know, there's something wrong with the formulas. The last two products actually are very natural. It's going to be like face moisturizer slash hand cream. No, really, they have this with the very same product, face moisturizer and hand cream, and they have absolutely no difference, which is my opinion is really weird, because for the face and hands you need to have different formulas, but for Kylie skin they have the very same formulas, which is hilarious, right? And also this is going to be coconut body lotion, but this one I use as my hand cream. This one is really good for your hand cream. I don't know why. There is something wrong with Kylie skin products. I mean, like, they smell bad, they have very weird color. I don't really understand their function, what do they have to do. And also those creams for your face and hands are really weird, and they look so freaking cheap. It must cost like $1 or $2, so that's like an overpriced products here. So what can you buy instead of Kylie skin and Rhode? Well, in my opinion, I actually really enjoyed one celebrity brand, which is going to be Fenty Beauty. I bought Fenty Skin Fat Water. It actually comes with a cookie face mask, but I loved it so much that I used it all, so I don't have it anymore. But guys, this product is incredible. I'm gonna rebuy it for sure. This is like in between serum and face oil, so it actually gives that moisturizing, and I liked it because I don't have a dry skin. I have something in the middle. Well, in my language you call it a combined skin, when it's not fat, it's not dry, so something in the middle. So for me, this product was pretty nice. I mean, like, I liked it a lot. For the lip balm, probably one of my favorites here from all celebrity brands is going to be also Fenty Lip. I got Cherry Treat, and now as you can see, I almost used it all. What I like about lip balms, first of all, I really like this blush. When you apply, this is so soft and cute. I really love the scent. This one is cherry. They also have a melon, which is also very good, but melon one is transparent, while this one gives you this rosy color, rosy tint here, which I also like. We're gonna roast Dior because okay, so this is a powder. This is so freaking beautiful. I bought it for the pictures, for like Pinteresty kind of pictures and videos, you know what I mean. But whenever I open it, you're gonna see it, guys, in a minute. It's beautiful, right? But let's wait until we open it. Do you see what's happening? And I'm always I'm always coughing whenever I open it, and it's like not okay to cough on powder, in my opinion. It's happening all the time. I don't know, it's all over your clothes, it's all over your room, so which is not really good. You have to clean your space whenever you use this powder. That's why I stopped using it. I had a very similar powder from Chanel, and this never happened to it. At that price, you can get another powder, which is my opinion is not beautiful but really working. So my most favorite one is MAC. Yes, it's just a very simple black packaging, but it really works. First of all, they have a mirror. Second, they have a cushion, and I mean, like, this one is very covering. It's like I having like a Photoshop effect whenever I do it. So let me show you. Do you see? My face was really like glowing, and now it's becoming very matte, which I like about it. I hope you can see it. So I understand that the Dior one is very beautiful, but this one is more like functioning, and it really worth the price. Another powder I definitely do not like, and I also bought it because of its appearance, is going to be a Chanel one. I also bought it because it's like a white color. It's very beautiful. It has this very cute blush. It's not covering at all. I do not see no difference at all. So this one is also the product I will never rebuy. Next product I really hated, sorry, is going to be this Rare Beauty palette. Well, I'll tell you why I hate it. This is so cute in packaging. I mean, like, it's very beautiful. And you have this mirror, and you have like 6 shades and 1 glitter. So about glitters, they are huge. They are very big. And whenever you apply them, it's not really soft. And I like glitters to be softer. Then you have this 3-color combination of rosy to purple, which is good for summer type of girls, and this one is very good for winter type of girls. What's the point on buying this palette if you have either summer type, either winter type, because you cannot be both? And whenever I apply this one, because I'm definitely a summer type, I felt like it's made for tanned girls, like Selena Gomez herself. So this is really very weird, because I had a lot of palettes in my life. This is probably the best packaging ever, the most comfortable and cute, but the colors, the way they work on your eye, I didn't like it at all. And I'm gonna tell you which palette I actually bought instead, and I enjoyed so much. This is going to be Too Faced palette, which is not that advertised and popular, but this one is also like giving this vibe of being like this small and rosy, but it has much more shades, much more, like twice or even 3 times more shades, and they all are for summer type of girls like me, and I can apply them even with my fingers. So let me show you. I just applied like this, and you can see it's giving a lot. It's actually very pigmented, which I like about it. And maybe I want something in the corner, like to darken my corners. I also gonna use my fingers, incredible, and apply it here. It's already a very cute makeup within seconds. In my opinion, the result is very incredible. I just did the makeup within a minute. It is incredible, and you will never get the same with this Rare Beauty palette. So let's proceed with Dior. It's going to be this palette, and actually is a blush. First of all, this one is broken, and it became broken like with the second probably usage. It doesn't come with a mirror, which is so uncomfortable. So whenever I use this, I need to use something else so I can have an additional mirror. This is so freaking uncomfortable. I don't know why they don't do a mirror here, because also this packaging is so cheap. I mean, like, this is like a transparent plastic, and I mean, like, this is so cheap looking, and you pay a lot of money for this product. It's like a luxurious brand here. The product itself is actually good. I mean, like, I've been using it for 5 years, for 5 freaking years. I don't want to change it for anything else because I have everything I need here. Like, I have this white when I use like as highlighter, and also I put it as a shadow on my eyelids. This darker one I use as my contouring. This rosy, I actually don't use it as my blush. I use it as my highlight or also eyelids, and this one I also use as eyelids. So for me, it's like more an eyeshadow palette because I like it to be a bit glittering. This one is like a good product, but I don't like the packaging and all because it breaks and it's very cheap looking. The same is going to be with this small. It's very cute. It's really good as a picture. This one comes with mirror. Color here is pretty the same as this one, but this is a highlighter, so it gives a lot of glitters. This one does not give glitters almost at all, but this is very cute for the pictures. So let me show you. In my opinion, it does not give a lot. Actually, the mirror itself is very bad. I mean, like, it doesn't give a very accurate image, so I still need to use some kind of other mirrors here. Let it be my powder. This mirror is much better than Dior one, so this is how I do it. It's not comfortable at all. So Dior, why I'm paying so much money for the luxurious product and I don't have a good mirror? So you can see it's not that pigmented. It doesn't give a lot, which is my opinion is very weird. You pay so much money and you don't get it. And as usual, I'm gonna show you the alternative you can buy for less money and be more satisfied with the product. So here we're gonna have this Revolution. It also has the very same plastic, right? It doesn't have a mirror neither, but instead it has 4 very pigmented shades, but we pay much less. Okay, I'm gonna apply pinky one so we can see the similarities. I don't know if you see it on camera, but this is already giving much more pigments here. Yeah, this is giving a lot more pigments in here, which I like about it. Yeah, so this is giving nothing, absolutely nothing. I can see like very, very little shade, while here, well, we can see there is blush. I haven't put it in the right way just to show you how much pigments we have here. And we haven't finished with Dior, guys. You know what I'm gonna show right now. The most popular product of Dior is going to be this lip balm. And well, you know what? This is a marketing scam. I mean, like, this is okay for the product. I mean, like, it's fine. It has this good blush here. Scent is nice, but I mean, like, not the nicest. I prefer Fenty one more. They both are cherry, but this is giving me the real cherry. And this is just giving me some kind of fragrance, but it's not like the cherry you imagine. I don't know, but whenever I apply it, it doesn't really feel that luxurious and this high quality, if you know what I mean. So it gives me very cheap Vaseline kind of product, while when I apply my Fenty, I actually feel how it moisturizes my lips. And now the Rare Beauty product I don't like at all. It's going to be this blush. I mean, like, it's also very pinky, cute, it's really good for the pictures and etc. But in real life, it's not giving a lot. I didn't see any effect on my lashes. I'm gonna show you which product I actually liked more. This one. It's also a MAC one. As you can see, it's like black. It's not really that trendy, pinky, photogenic. Why makeup products have to be photogenic nowadays? this. This is a photogenic product, while this one is just a very high quality product. And whenever I apply this on my lashes, I see the result. I see how they're becoming longer, more visible, and they're not sticking together, while with this one, they're sticking together and they're not becoming as long as I wish they could. So I don't know, it's just a very beautiful packaging, but still no really effect here. Next celebrity product that I also didn't like is going to be Rare Beauty eyeliner. Why this product is not really good? Because this has like a very huge blush here, which is not really comfortable when you do like a line. It will never be straight because it's really soft. I bought another eyeliner from another celebrity brand, which is going to be Kylie. So I decided to buy Kylie eyeliner, and this one is one of the best eyeliners in my life. It really gives that very straight line. And because we talked about Kylie Jenner, let's talk about her lipsticks. I actually got two. They're very similar in colors. I don't really like about Kylie lipsticks is that you don't know what color you will get after applying it, because this one looks lighter than this, but it becomes darker when you apply it on your lips. And this one looks darker, but when you apply it, it becomes lighter. That's why I bought two. What I also don't like about those lipsticks is that they make your lips dry, like very, very dry. But they are long lasting, which is very good. This one is also long lasting, the same as Kylie ones, but this gives this moisturizer to your lips. I don't know how it's possible, but it's like oily kind of lip balm with tint. So it's really an incredible formula here. And also like the packaging much more. It doesn't look that cheap anymore. And let's finish with the products that I actually liked a lot, so much that I bought it twice. It's going to be Rare Beauty blushes. They are incredible. They're very freaking good. I even bought it in two colors because, well, when I get tanned, this one is going to be better, but when I'm pale as now, this one is better. I also like about this product is the quality is incredible. It's like very high pigmented, and also this is like a lot of product and it's so pigmented, so you will use it like until you die probably, because it's a lot. It's not only long lasting, but you can also apply it on your lips as your lipstick and also on your eyes. And I mean, like, it's incredible. I can make a full makeup out of one product. It's so freaking good. Let me show you. Don't make my mistake. So you apply only one spot on your cheek. Trust me, this is more than enough because this is so pigmented. Do you see it? How much pigmentation it has? Incredible. Like, I was fascinated. And now we're gonna apply it on my lips. It's really good color. And now let's apply it on my eyelids. Actually, I have I have glitters from my Too Faced palette, but anyway, we can apply it on my eyelids. So we have like 3 products in one, and because it's very pigmented, you will use it for a year at least. And please do not waste money on Rhode blush because it looks so cheap. It doesn't give a lot of products. It's like 5.9, and here we have 7.5, which is much more. And also, I don't know, in my opinion, the Rhode blush one looks so freaking cheap. If it wasn't Rhode, if it wasn't Hailey Bieber, I would never buy it. I actually didn't buy it. I was thinking of buying it, but in my country it costs like $45, which is a lot. In my opinion, doesn't worth the money. Even like $25 is already like a lot. Don't buy Rhode products, really. It looks so freaking cheap, and it's like, it really means you are a marketing victim. My most ever favorite product that I bought twice, which is like a very rare occasion for me, which is Rare Beauty Lip Balm. I don't know why this product is not really hyped. I don't know why we don't talk about it, but it's the best lip balm in your life. I really like the packaging. It looks really luxurious, how easily it opens. And this stick is so freaking good. It doesn't really give any scent, which is also okay, because we don't want to have this scent every time. And I mean, like, it just has the best feeling when you apply it. I never have this feeling with any other product. I don't know how to explain it to you, but whenever I apply it, it feels like, oh my god, it feels like you touch the natural fur. It feels like you pet your favorite cat. I don't know, it just gives so good feeling. So this product is one of my most favorite on earth. I really hope that we stop being marketing victims, and before we actually buy a product, we will consider twice if we actually use it until it expires, if we actually need it, and do we want to support another influencer, celebrity brand just because we like this celebrity or influencer. And please tell me, girls, which products you bought from celebrities or influencers and they actually turn out to be good, and which actually turn out to be bad. I really want to read your reviews, so let's help each other. And follow for more. See you later in my next videos.